Hi, welcome to another video of Python on the TXT controller. Let me first show you about a basic thing on the code. In the last video I showed how I used simple demo explorer, but in order to keep original code intact, it's good use to copy original code, rename it, in this case to Disovery Python2.7, and work with that. So I start in the VI editor with Disovery Python.py program, and here you can see I have been experimenting a bit, and what I did was setting straight both speeds back to positive, so it runs a straight line. The speed is now for both motors 300 ticks. Then an update, and this code should let the robot run a straight line. However, as we tried to, it is nice to let it make a turn as well, and last time we found out that you need a negative speed to make a turn, and if you take then a distance which is a little bit slower, then you might get a nice turn indeed. And then an update, and then we will see what happens. So I quit the source code, then I say run Python, as that is the script to run it with the source code. I will point the camera to the robot, which now has no longer a connection to the power adapter, but a battery right here. So when it turns, it won't be hindered by any cord. Let's run it. And there you see almost 180 degrees. So let's get back to the code. And it would be nice if we can make two additions, which is in the first place, after running a straight line, let the lamp burn, and one method is to create a variable which will be assigned motor 3. However, another way is to use set PWM, where PWM stands for pulse width modulation. So here you see I already experimented with it a little bit. So I remove the command, and where the motor starts with 1, 2, 3 and 4, the set PWM command starts at 0 through 7. So if you want to have output 4, which is no, output 5, which is motor 3, you take 4. So you can do the math, I hope. So let's see how that works out. Set the robot back to its original position. Point the camera to it. And see what happens. Now that's unfortunate, nothing new happens. So I think I have to use the same update again, update command. So let me put it back into position again. Run it again. Unfortunately, with the same result. Okay, let's try something different. Because I noticed that I have here an update and now here an update. So if I command this one and activate this, be careful. Yet another attempt. And unfortunately the lamp does not burn. Things can go wrong, as you see. But we can try another thing as well. which is let it play sound in the end. So we say if TXT sound finished, and in Python you have to keep in mind that you have to indent in a loop or after an if statement. So be it tab or spaces, be consistent. Let me take 6,3. And once again, let's see what happens. So once again, camera to the robot. Right. Which works. So back to the code. Now I can do this. Which is a nice try. Just an attempt. And let me then delete this one. Pointing to the camera, to the robot again. It doesn't run, let's try again. Ah, that is the point. The battery is exhausted. So let me quickly change the battery. Let's see if I still have connection. I don't. So that's an unfortunate effect if you work on battery. Then this kind of thing may happen. Let's see if I, yeah. Then you see I get a right field broken pipe, which means connection is lost. So we have to log in into the TXT terminal. And now let's see if it works. And this indicates that the second battery probably has not been loaded fully. So for the new results, let's see if that does work. No, another attempt is failing again. So what I can do for now to keep it running is to plug in the power source and run it. And then I also see that something else is the matter, because if I make a close-up, then you see that the cords to the light are not connected anymore. So that's the problem with the light. Anyway, that is the end for this demonstration. And as you can see in experiments live recorded, things can go wrong. Murphy's Law acting up. So, thank you for watching and see you another time.